Take a ride in the 2023 Transit 250. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, low tire pressure warning, power door locks, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.